You will quickly learn how to choose a new downloads location for your Chrome browser. All right, here we're doing this on Chrome browser on the web that is installed on Windows 11. The first step you need to take is to launch your Chrome web browser. Once your browser opens, click on the three dots. Then scroll down until you get to settings. Click on it. Once you're on this settings page, the next step is to click on downloads. Here, it shows you that every file you're going to be downloading from your Chrome browser be saved inside the downloads folder. But you want to choose a new location because maybe the files get scattered in downloads and you don't feel comfortable with that and it mixes up with so many other files. So let's go and create a new folder for this. I'll click on this. Then let's select one of the major folders made available on Windows 11 by default. So let's say I want everything to be in the documents folder. Now I'll click on documents. Then let's create a new folder here. Click on new, select folder. Then let's call this new downloads. Okay. Then press the enter key to save the name. So we want everything to be saved inside this newly created folder that is inside the documents. So I'll close this. Then we are back to the web browser. So click on change. Click on where you created that new folder. So I'll click on documents. Then we named it new downloads. So get to that folder you created. So look at this, click on this and click on select folder. So with this, whenever you're downloading any new files from this browser, it's going to be saved inside this new downloads folder that we just chose. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.